Hi, welcome to our video about navigating to and navigating SharePoint Online. So here we are on our 365 portal, and we're going to navigate to SharePoint Online. So we go to Apps, and then inside Apps, we see SharePoint. If we don't see it here, we can click on All Apps. But by clicking it, it opens up the SharePoint app. And then you see the SharePoints that you're following, some that you've worked on recently, maybe save for later, and you see them for frequents over here too. Now you notice the star is highlighted. That's for following. So if you star it, then you make sure it shows up here so you can access it again. If you can't, if it's not listed on any of these, you can definitely come up here to search SharePoint and start typing in the SharePoint you're looking for. If you have access to it, it'll show up. And then you can star it so that it shows up over here. Now we're going to click on it and we're going to open that SharePoint site. So when we're here in our SharePoint site, we see our menu off to the left, home, which is what we're on. It's the home page. If we click on pages, it'll show us all the different pages in the site, if you have that. Documents, that's the document library for this site. You can have one or more. And then there's parent teams if you're part of a nested kind of scenario in there. You can also add other links in here. These are created ones, important documents. Work tracker is a list. Site contents, if you see that, that shows you everything on the site. And then there's the recycle bin. Then across the top, you see new, page details, and analytics. And when you click on new and hit the drop down, you can create a new list or a form or a document library or another page, a news post, etc. Then again, across the top, you see that it's a published site. You can share this if you like, or click on edit to edit the site if you have rights. So that's how we navigate to SharePoint Online, and when we get into SharePoint Online, how we navigate it. All right, so make sure you give it a little bit of a try. And again, like and follow our site, and there'll be more coming.